If you want X to personalize your experience with Grok, I'll show you the exact steps to turn that setting on in just a moment. This is a quick and simple privacy setting that can help tailor your Grok experience based on your activity on X. So if you use Grok regularly, this is definitely worth checking. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see the option you need right away, click on More. That will open up the full menu with additional settings and account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account controls, privacy options, and personalization settings. Once you're inside, click Privacy and Safety. Now you'll be taken to the section that controls how your account interacts with privacy-related features and connected services. Next, find and click Grok and third-party collaborators. This is the section where X groups the settings related to Grok and external collaboration features. Here, you'll see the option that says Allow X to personalize your experience with Grok. All you need to do is toggle that setting on. Once it's enabled, X can use that setting to personalize your Grok experience. And that's it. You've now turned on the option to allow X to personalize your experience with Grok. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.